What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Real quickly before I get into the rest of today's video, just wanted to say be sure to like my page Simply Car Things on Facebook. From there you can get a lot of exclusive updates on videos whenever I post them. In addition to that, in the community section of the Facebook page, we do have a Simply Car Things group that I created. So in there's about like 25 members or so, and we just chat about cars, N54, BMW, just cars in general. We share pictures, talk about different products and items. It's just a discussion forum. It doesn't matter if you don't drive a BMW, if you don't have a 335i, it doesn't matter what you have. You can just join the group. All you have to do is just request to join it and you can get in, and I'm just trying to build that so we can have a nice chat and a community to where people can ask questions, they can talk about products, and just, you know, talk cars, because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So a while back, I made a video talking about a $10 mod that will get you more attention than an exotic car, and I talked about the BMW door projector lights, and that video ended up doing really well. So I thought today I would make a successor to that video about the $8 mod that will get you just as much attention probably. Let me go ahead and show that to you guys. So coming on over to the car, walk to the very back of this thing. Bam. This little bad boy right here. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't already noticed, I got a new BMW badge for the trunk because the old one had peeled off basically and it looked like crap. It looked really ghetto. So finally got that on there. My car actually looks decent now from the rear. But yes, this carbon fiber wing. Now originally I had actually installed that little carbon fiber wing on my car just as a complete joke for April Fools, because I thought it would be really funny, and a lot of people found it funny, but a lot of people got butthurt and triggered by it. Oh well, you know, I had a good laugh as well. But to be honest, that little wing has completely grown on me, and in about the 2 weeks time or so that I've had it on there, it has actually gotten so much attention on the car. Like, I personally thought that by now I would have taken this thing off because, oh well, I would have gotten sick of it or would have looked a little bit too ricey. But to be honest, I really like it. And the thing is, you can't really say it's ricey because everybody knows it's a joke. It's just made for fun. It's too small, obviously, to have any functional downforce. So, you know, people know you just threw it on there for fun. It just gives people a good laugh, and really, it actually looks kind of clean on the car, not gonna lie, especially like from a distance. I don't know, maybe it's not being depicted properly on camera, but I think in person it doesn't look too bad. And I've had so many people come up to me. I've had kids come up to me and say, hey, nice mini spoiler, that thing's awesome. And I've had, you know, other car enthusiasts say, hey, I love that little wing on your car, I think it's hilarious, you know, whatever, it looks awesome. You know, people are like, yo, dude, welcome to the big wing gang and all that kind of stuff. So it's a lot of fun, and it actually just brings a ton of positive attention. Like, no one's hated it or anything because people know it's a joke, you know? They're not gonna get butthurt. Look at that. I mean, how can you hate that little thing? Just look at it. There's been tons of girls that have been like, oh my god, that thing is so cute on your car. Look at the little mini wing, blah, 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 you know? So, like, it's all in good fun, you know? It's not gonna hurt anyone. If you don't want it, you don't have to have it. But it's only $8 too, and it literally came like next day shipping on Amazon Prime. I'll have a link to it in the description down below if any of you guys want to rock it just for fun. I mean, put it on there for a couple weeks, have fun with it. It just uses the 3M double-sided sticky tape. You just smack it right on there and it sticks. It's good. And obviously, take it off whenever you want. It's not a big deal, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know, I'm not gonna keep this on here forever. I'm eventually going to take it off, but like I said, like, it's really grown on me. So, you know, probably gonna keep it on there for a little bit longer. But anyway, guys, I do apologize. It was a bit of a shorter video today. Didn't really have anything too exciting planned, but I definitely wanted to share that with you guys and hopefully get some of you guys to rock those little wings on your car because they're pretty awesome. Pretty soon, though, we're going to be doing the brakes. So I know I made a video where I talked about how my car needs new brakes ASAP. It still needs new brakes. I will be getting those very soon, and definitely going to be doing a video of the install for the brakes. Probably going to be going cross-drilled on them, and I'll explain my justification for that at a later date or whenever that video ends up coming out. But aside from that, you know, car's running great still. Everything is really good. Be sure to catch up with us on that Facebook page as well. And with all that being said, you guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below, as well as give me a thumbs up on this video. We just rolled over 14,000 subscribers on my channel, which is just like unreal. We're almost at 15K, and then after that we're going to be 5K away from 20,000 on YouTube. This is a dream come true, you guys, so just cannot express my thanks for that specifically. But, you know, like I said, hope you guys have a great day, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out.